Today we shall be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. Please ignore the random sneeze in the background. So first we shall add 7/10 and 1/5. Now, you may be asking, how do you do this? Well, first thing we need to do is make it so that has this and this, which are both denominators, to be the same. Now, 5 times 2 equals 10. So, I'm going to take this out and do it 10. Now, because I've multiplied the 5 times 2, I have to multiply the 1 times 2, which means 2. Now that I've done that, I can add them to get 9/10. Now, there's nothing to simplify here, because you can't simplify. Now, here is the last of the ones that I've pre-written out. 7/10 minus 1/5. As opposed to adding them, I'm subtracting them. Though I still need to get them to have common denominators. So, poof, poof. 10 at the bottom come as the denominator, and as the numerator 2 as last time. And now 7 minus 2 equals 5. Now 5 and 10 can be 5 over 10 can be simplified. 5/10 can in fact be simplified. So you can divide them by 2 to get, divide them by 5, not 2, 5. Divide them by 5 to get 1/2, and here is your answer. Now, for multiplying, as before, I am going to use 7/10 and 1/5. Except this time I will not have to find a common denominator. Instead, I'll just need to find 7 times 1. That equals 7, and 10 times 5, which equals 50. Now, can this be simplified? I believe not. So, now for division. As always, 7 over 10 and 1 over 5. Now, division is more complicated. We are going to need to find the reciprocal of 1/5. Now, how you find a reciprocal is, let's say we want to find the reciprocal of 9/10. Then we put that a little close. So I'll just have to rewrite it over here so that I can do it. So I'm going to group these back up. So it was 9 over 10, so instead, for the reciprocal is 10 over 9. And to find the reciprocal of 1/5, I'll just switch these around, and here we go. Now, I am going to turn this into a multiplication sign. So, 7/10 times 5 holes. So 7 times 5 equals, that would be 35. 10 times 1 equals 10, of course, because every time you use 10, it's just adding 10, and we added 10 to nothing. So now, how? We need to simplify. I'm going to hide 35 by 5 and have 7, and then 7 over 2. So that would mean that we need to change this improper fraction into a mixed number. So I'm going to put the who can go into, so there's 2 who. So we want to turn this into something and 1/2, and that would be 3.5, because 2 times 3 equals 6, which leaves 1/2 that cannot be turned into a whole. And here is the answer. And there you go. I love the operations.
Wait, you finished it? I missed the whole thing. You finished it.
Oops. Please ignore. Subscribe. Go on, click it. Click the button. Click it. Click the button. Click it. Do it. Subscribe. Goodbye.